Dear students, today I am going to start chapter 15, Economic Development of Planning. In modern age, everyone desires to have a house to live, food to eat, clothes to wear, and facilities like education and health for their children. But all this is possible only when they get employment so that they can earn enough and thus can fulfill their needs. This process is known as economic development in economics. आज के समय में प्रत्येक व्यक्ति ये चाहता है कि उसके पास एक मकान हो, खाने के लिए भोजन हो और पहनने के लिए कपड़े हों। इस प्रकार से और अपने बच्चों के लिए वो शिक्षा दे सके और दिस इज कॉल्ड इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट। Thus, this can be said that economic development is such a continuous process as a result of which all the factors of production of a country are used efficiently. In this process, the national income and per capita income increase continuously and leads to long-term growth. Following are the opinions of the ancient and modern economists regarding economic development. Concept of development. Development है क्या? What is development? In ancient times, India was known as the Golden Sparrow. प्राचीन काल में भारत को सोने की चिड़िया कहा जाता था. It means that at that time India was a prosperous and developed country. तात्पर्य हुआ कि हमारा देश उस समय बहुत ही विकसित देश था और समृद्धशाली था. Here the economy was mainly based on simple living, hard work, and mutual brotherhood. Sufficient food, grain were obtained from fertile land and cottage and rural industries made their living easy. Trade was done on large scale with people that the state and villages were happy and prosperous. उस समय गांव के लोग काफी प्रसन्न थे और समृद्धशाली थे. In ancient times, under economic development, along with materialistic facilities, human values were also given important place. उस समय मानव मूल्यों को भी समाज में बहुत अधिक महत्व दिया जाता था. The great thinker Kautilya described these thoughts in details in his book Arthashastra. In ancient time, a special place was given to materialistic prosperity under economic development at global level. The mercantile thinkers of Germany and France considered gold and silver as the basis of development. The concept of development kept on changing with time. डेवलपमेंट का भी कॉन्सेप्ट समय समय पर बदलता रहा. पहले लोग गोल्ड और सिल्वर को ही सब कुछ मानते थे, अब डेवलपमेंट का आधार मानते थे। अकॉर्डिंग टू क्लासिकल इकोनॉमिस्ट आदम स्मिथ, economic development has been defined as increase in goods and services of a country. Karl Marx considered economic development as the establishment of socialism. J.S. Mill's opinion about economic development is totally different. He considered economic development as to follow the principle of corporation for welfare of people and economic development. Among the new concepts, economic Paul Albert considers economic development as the increase in real national income by use of all productive resources by a country. While in the opinion of Williamson and Bostridge, development is the increase in the per capita income of the people of a country. इस प्रकार से विभिन्न अर्थशास्त्रियों ने विभिन्न प्रकार से इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट को परिभाषित किया है। Now, the knowledge of characteristics of economic development is necessary to understand the economic development easily. The main characteristics of development are as below. Number 1, continuous process. Economic development is a continuous process as a result of which the national income gradually increases. आर्थिक विकास, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट, ये एक सतत प्रगति है जो नेशनल इनकम को बढ़ाती है। देयर इज ए continuity in demand and supply of a commodity in an economy as the result of this process. Number 2, increase in national income and per capita income. National income and per capita income as a result of economic development increases continuously. हम जब हमारी आर्थिक प्रगति होती है तो हमारे देश की भी इनकम और पर कैपिटा इनकम में वृद्धि होती है। नंबर 3, a long period process. Economic development is a long term process because development cannot be called a short term or short period increase or change. For example, if in any 1 year agricultural production increases due to good rain, thereby national income will also be increased, but it cannot be called as economic development. Number 4, proper utilization of resources. In economic development, all the resources available in the country are utilized efficiently. इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट का तात्पर्य यह है कि जो भी हमारे देश में रिसोर्सेज हैं, हमको उपलब्ध हैं रिसोर्सेज प्रकृति के द्वारा, उनका सही उपयोग हम कर सकें। नंबर 5, इम्प्रूवमेंट इन स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग एंड सोशल वेलफेयर. इन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट द स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग ऑफ द कॉमन पीपल improves due to increase in per capita income. इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट से स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग में वृद्धि होती है। व्यक्ति के रहन सहन का स्तर में प्रगति होती है और लोगों के अंदर सामाजिक कल्याण की भावना आती है। इकोनॉमिक डिस्पैरिटी डिक्रीजेज एंड द पब्लिक वेलफेयर प्रोग्राम्स such as education, public health, etc. are increased by the government. It improves the standard of living of people. इससे लोगों के रहन सहन का स्तर बढ़ता है जब हमारे समाज में आर्थिक प्रगति होती है। Increase in the income of a country and its people is the result of economic development, which are known as national income and per capita income. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood economic development. Thank you.